A crocodile! Run!
What do you see, son? Wild animals!
What do you see? What do you see? What do you see?
I see a monkey. I see a monkey.
What do you see?
I see a zebra. I see a zebra.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see a tiger. I see a tiger.
A tiger? What do you see?
I see a snake. I see a snake.
What do you see?
A hippo. I see a hippo.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see a lizard. I see a lizard.
What do you What do you see? What do you see?
I see an elephant. I see an elephant.
What do you see?
I see a crocodile. I see a crocodile. One more time. Faster.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see a rabbit. I see a rabbit.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see snakes.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see a hippo. I see a hippo.
What do you see? What do you see?
I see a lizard. I see a lion.
A lion.
What do you see? Giraffe. I see a giraffe.
What do
What do you see? What do you see? Do you see? What 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 do you see?
Hello, my name is
Color is it? What color is it? It's blue. It's blue. What color is it? What? It's orange bird. Tweet, tweet. What do you see? What do you see? I see a horse. I see a horse. Neigh. What do you see? What do you see? I see a cow. I see a cow.
Page 65. Activity 23. Listen and number. Number 1.
Are the chickens fat?
No, they aren't.
Number 2. Number 3.
Is it fat? Yes, it is. Is it a duck? Yes, it is.
4.
Is it a horse?
No, it isn't. It's a cow.
Number 5.
Is it small and gray? Yes, it is. Is it a bat?
Whoa. They're sheep.
Track B47. 4. Listen and check. 1.
It has 2 wings and a big head. It has 2 legs and big eyes.
2.
It's white. It has 4 legs. It has a big tail and a long nose.
It has 4 legs. It has a long neck and a long nose.
Okay, now look at the pictures, read the sentences, and tell me, what is it? What animal is it? Is it a farm animal? Is it a wild animal? The long tail. It's a It's a cow. Good job. Are you ready to play a game? You can ask your mom, your dad, or your friend to read the sentences on the video, and you listen and say what animal is it. For example, I say, it's black and